Serums for skin barrier repair. If you're experiencing a broken skin barrier, here's what I would recommend. First up is Skin 104 Probiotica Intensive Ampoule. This uses fermented centella, which is a punch more soothing than just regular centella alone, and it also has niacinamide and ceramide NP, all known to restore the skin's barrier. Texture is milky, it's silky, but it's non-heavy. Next is Ampoule and Ceramide Shot Ampoule. This has been my holy grail for years, and I've gone through multiple bottles. I've never heard of anyone talking about this because they don't market it globally. It has 3 types of ceramides for barrier repair and also allantoin for soothing. Texture is also milky. Next we have Anua 7 Rice Ceramide Hydrating Barrier Serum. This has 7 types of rice extract, hyaluronic acid, and ceramide. Look at that texture, it's like snail mucin. It's moisturizing, it's plumping, and it brightens your skin while protecting the skin's barrier. Next is VT Cosmetics PDRN Essence. The star ingredient here is PDRN from Korean ginseng. It's a vegan alternative to salmon PDRN, but it works wonders in skin regeneration and also revitalizing the skin. It also has other amazing ingredients to deeply moisturize the skin. The texture is really thick and milky for an essence, and it feels more like a serum to me. Finally, Churcher Ceramic Milk Ampoule. This is a 100% vegan milk-based ampoule. The main ingredients are vegan milk complex, soybean ferment extract, 6 types of ceramides, avocado-based peptides, and also rice bran oil. I know all of this sounds really heavy, but this is for intensive repair. The texture is similar to the VT one, but a tad bit more thick. My best description of this would be a runny cream. If your skin is extremely parched and peeling, try this.